In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate more sales for your LifterLMS courses by taking your customers through a sales funnel. So to accomplish and create our sales funnels, we're going to be using LifterLMS, and we're going to be using the Upsell plugin for the sales funnel functionality. So before I show you how to set it up in the back end, I first want to take you through the sales funnel process that your website visitor, that your potential customer would see. So here is a LifterLMS course sales page that I quickly put together where the visitor can purchase this course. So if they want to purchase this course, they would simply click on yes, I want instant access. And it would now take them to the checkout page that we have created. So let me throw in some dummy information real quick. Now, because this is a course and we need them to create an account, we have the account information section enabled here. So let me create a username and password. So here's our payment information. They are purchasing a course for $97. They can check out with credit card or PayPal. I'm going to throw in my test Stripe card. Now, included with the Upsell plugin and this sales funnel that we have created for LifterLMS, you have the ability to offer an order bump if you want. So here's a little order bump we have in place for another course for $17. So if they want to add this to their order, they would simply check it off, or if they didn't want it, they would just proceed with checkout. But as we checked off the yes, I want this, as you'll see, it's added to their order. So now the person agrees to the terms of service, they go ahead and submit payment. So our payment was successfully captured, and as you can see on the right hand side through the default notifications that LifterLMS provides, you can see that we were enrolled in those two courses, the main course and also the order bump course. So now for our sales funnel, it doesn't take them to the course or the thank you page, we're actually taking them to an upsell. So this upsell is offering them an additional course, a new course that they can purchase for $47 a month. So it would be a subscription product. They can purchase it by clicking the button, and it would be a one-click upsell, so they can subscribe, or they can say no thank you and proceed with the sales funnel that we have in place. Let's actually go ahead and say no thank you. So if the person didn't want this, they're going to skip it. They click on no thank you. And now the sales funnels that we have in place, we have a downsell. So we are now offering them this downsell because they said no thank you to the upsell. One thing I want you to see, you can actually personalize it based off of their name on what they entered into the checkout. So here our downsell is they can try it for $1. So they can test drive it for $1, and then it would be an additional $47 per month after their 30-day trial. So again, they have the opportunity to purchase it, so for $1, or they can say no thank you and continue the process of our sales funnel. Let's go ahead and purchase this for $1. So let's go ahead and click the button. Yes, take a test drive for $1. So our customer successfully purchased the $1 free trial, as you can see here, and that ends our sales funnel. So your sales funnel can be as many steps as you want, but that simply ends this sales funnel for this demo. So as you can see here, instead of just having the person purchase their main membership for $97, the main product that you have created, and you can have whatever name you want here for the product, instead of just having them purchase a $97 product or course, we now successfully increase their order by the order bump, which was $17, and they are now test driving another course for $1, but hopefully they will stick and they will be paying us $47 per month. So instead of just the $97 today that we captured, we were now able to increase that by $18, so $115 we were able to capture. And as you can see on the right hand side, I'm just using the default LifterLMS profile shortcode. So as you can see, we're automatically logged in, shows the courses that we're enrolled in, and they can get started right away and click through to begin their courses. So again, that ends our sales funnel, but you can have as many steps as you want inside of your sales funnel. And now I'm going to show you the back end, the WordPress dashboard, to show you how simple it is to create. Okay, here we are inside of the WordPress dashboard for that sales funnel website I just showed you. So as you can see, we have LifterLMS installed, and we also have the Upsell plugin. So what we're going to want to do is inside of the Upsell plugin, you're going to want to create your products. So I have the main membership, upsell membership, downsell membership, and a mini course. The mini course was the order bump. You can call these whatever you'd like. So our main membership was the main product that we were selling. So let me go ahead and edit that, but when you need to add a new product, you would simply click Add New up here. Let me go ahead and click into the main membership so I can show you how that was set up and created. So there's a bunch of different settings. It's a very robust plugin, the Upsell plugin, but I'm just going to show you the main tabs that you're going to worry about based off of what we just saw through that demo sales funnel. So the general tab, you're going to give it a price. You can tell if it's a physical or digital product. If you choose digital, it'll open up a digital tab where you can actually include a digital file to be delivered after they purchase this product. Payment type, single or subscription. This main membership was a single, so we'll leave it at that. Then the other important tab that you're going to want to worry about is your URL options. So this purchase URL is the URL that you would embed inside of the button or the link for them to purchase it. And the skip purchase URL is the URL that you would embed inside of the link or button, the text or the button, that giving them the option to skip the purchase. So I'll show you these again in a second, but what else you want to worry about is where they should be sent after they purchase or skip purchase this product. So purchase redirect. You can choose a page or URL, so we have a page set, so we want to send them to our upsell if they purchase this product. Well, we actually had an order bump in place as well. So a cool thing with this plugin is you can actually send them to a different page, a different upsell, if they do or don't purchase the order bump. For now, we have it going to the same spots for this demo, but again, if they purchase the order bump, you can send them to a different page depending on if they don't purchase the order bump. So here is if they don't purchase the order bump, you would choose where they should be sent, and here is if they do purchase the order bump, where they should be sent. And then the skip purchase redirect URL, we're not worrying about that one for this product since it was our main product, so they're either going to leave the website or they're going to purchase this product. But I'll show you this in the upsell product. So our order bump, again, we had the order bump in place. We created it. You would create it inside of the order bump tab, and you would simply select which product it is, and then you'd go through the different settings to set it up. Last, you want to deal with the LifterLMS tab. So with the Upsell plugin, when you purchase the Upsell plugin, you also get the LifterLMS extension. So if you're using LifterLMS, you would install the extension, and now you have this LifterLMS tab. And what it does is you can simply add them, you would enable it. You can enable for courses or for memberships. So you would simply enable it, and you should choose which courses and which memberships they can be added to when they purchase this product. You would simply click inside of here. It would show you all of your courses, choose which courses they should be added to. Same thing for the memberships. Click inside of here, which memberships should they be added to if they purchase this product, and you can choose whichever ones you want. So you don't have to have memberships if you don't want. You can disable that and just have courses, or vice versa. You can disable that and just add them to memberships. So that's really all it takes. There's more settings involved, like the checkout settings. You can hide different things. You can hide the address field if you don't want it, the city, state. But I'm not going to get into that too much right now. So now let me take you back to the products. So what you would want to do is you would want to create the rest of the products for your sales funnel. So we have our upsell and our downsell. So let me just go into the upsell real quick. And everything would be the same. So this one was a subscription. So choose subscription. And then you have the recurring charges. We want it to be monthly. You can set a recurring charge limit if you want for when it should stop. And you can also enable a trial period, which we did with the downsell. So this is where you would enable a trial period and set up this way. So, but for our upsell, it's simply a $47 monthly subscription. So you would set it for $47. Again, go into the LifterLMS tab, choose which courses and or memberships they should be added to when they purchase this product. Same thing with the URL options. You would choose where they should be redirected to when they purchase this product. And here's where we deal with the skip. So now that they're being presented with an upsell, we of course have to give them the ability to not purchase that and just proceed with the sales funnel we have in place and only have the main product that they purchased. So if they skip it, we can say where they should go. So if they skip, like we did, if they skip the upsell, we send them to the downsell page that we created. And again, you can choose URL and type in a URL if you want. But if you choose page, it'll show you all the pages that you have created on your WordPress website. Once you have those set up, simply update it and you're good to go for the upsell, and then you would do the same thing again for the rest of your products. But now let me real quickly show you how you would utilize the purchase and skip purchase URLs. So if I go to my pages, and I'm going to be dealing with the upsell for now. So let me go to my upsell page. So I have this upsell course. So I'm using Optimized Press actually in this demo to create the pages. And the beauty about the Upsell plugin is it works with any WordPress page builder or theme. So it works with Elementor, Thrive Architect, Optimized Press, Divi, Oxygen, any page builder or theme you can think of, the plugin will work with. So let me go ahead and edit this page so I can show you. Okay, so here we are inside of the page, editing the upsell page that we created. So it's very simple. All you would do is you go back to your product that you created and you would copy this purchase URL and you would paste it wherever they should be able to click to purchase that upsell, that product. I'm going to go to the link here for Optimized Press, and of course, it can, however you edit your button and links using the page builder or theme that you use, you would just do the same thing. So I'm clicking on this little hyperlink to edit the link of that button. So right here, I'm just going to paste it in there and I'm all set. So if they click on this button, they would purchase that product. Now we just want to do the same thing with the skip purchase URL. So let's just copy this URL. Let's go to our no thank you text. So I want to edit that right here. Just paste in the link for the no thank you, the skip purchase. And we're all set. So just save this page and our upsell page is good to go with the linking of the purchase and skip purchase URLs, which would take them to the next page depending on the settings here. So again, you would just simply paste this purchase URL for your button that you can create and have it look however you want. It can be a link, it can be a form submission, it can be whatever you want. As long as you send them to this URL, they would purchase this product. So again, after they purchase this product, where should they go? We want to set up purchase redirect right here. We want them to go to a page, and that's the thank you LMS, because that's going to end our sales funnel. And then you want to do the skip purchase URL. So we pasted this inside of the no thank you text. If they click on that, they're not purchasing this product for $47 a month. And where should we send them if they click this URL? Well, the skip purchase redirect, we want to send them to a page, and that's going to be the downsell because we want to try to get them to purchase the downsell because they skipped the upsell. So you would simply do that for all your pages. Just paste the purchase URLs where they should click to purchase the product, and the skip purchase URLs where they should click to continue in your sales funnel, but without purchasing that product. And that's really all there is to it. So again, you can have as many pages as you would like for your sales funnels. It's unlimited. It's not linear. You can take them in any direction you want. So now you can start generating more sales and increasing the revenue of your website by taking your customers and your page visitors through a sales funnel when selling your LifterLMS courses. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.